So hey guys, welcome to the workshop. So today's video, well, let's change where I'm at. Let me take you to a different part of the house. So welcome to the laundry room. What we're going to be doing in this video series is actually remodeling this room. So stick around. Okay, so to make this really simple, what we're going to be doing, we're actually going to be taking out every single cabinet that's here because they're just horrible. They got a lot of issues inside. Just absolutely horrible. There's nothing that really makes sense. Super deep, super ugly, and we're going to rip them out. The other thing is that we've got our washer and dryer set, one on the left, one on the right. Now what we're going to do is take these, slide them all the way over. So essentially you can imagine this would be what this is, and this will be slid into that place. So we're going to move those over, get rid of all this stuff here. And what we're going to do is have two 24-inch cabinets, and over here a coat closet. We actually got rid of our coat closet probably a couple years ago to expand our dining room. So we've kind of been without one of those for a long time, and we've made do with other things. But this is going to be excellent because we could put it, we put winter coats, we could put all these different coats that we just don't like to constantly see in our house. We're also going to go ahead and do something on the ceiling. What we're going to do is a faux chip black, which is something we've done in this house already, but we've done it on the walls. So in this case we're going to do it on the ceiling to kind of give it a nice appeal. We're also going to close in this window over here. It's totally inoperable. We don't like it. In fact, we used to have a window unit in it, and I took that out in order to give us some light. But that's going to go away. We're going to replace the door eventually too. So all these things are going to happen. They're going to happen in a series. We're not going to do all of this in one big video. It's going to be way too long. But there's going to be a lot of woodworking because I got to make cabinets. Got to make a built-in cabinet here. Also got to make some doors. But I also have to do some plumbing. And then I got to do some electrical. So there's a lot of behind-the-scene things. And I'll go down back to my workshop to continue talking about those things. So because of this remodel that I'm going to be working on, the shop is really an utter mess. I've got sheets of plywood, I've got sheets of drywall, also got all my plumbing things out, I've got some electrical stuff to consider. I got my area open where my water heater and my conditioner is because I got to get on top of all that to deal with some water stuff. So the shop is just a mess. There's no projects going on except that one. And it hasn't really started yet. So I'm all prepped to go. We're ready to go. We're ready to rock into this thing, and I hope that you'll join me on this journey. It's going to be really fun because there's going to be a very vast variety of different things. Like I said, I'm going to be building 2 different cabinet doors. I'm going to be building some shelves, which I didn't mention earlier, and then I'm going to be building a built-in next to one of the 2-foot square, well, one of the 2-foot wide cabinets. And I'm not doing store-bought because these are going to be much deeper than a store-bought. Being a woodworker, why would I go buy that in a store anyways? So I've got all that to deal with and the plumbing stuff, so it's going to be a long video. I'm not going to go in depth on plumbing stuff. I'm not going to go in depth on electrical just because that's not the focus of this channel. This channel is all about the woodworking, but I will show a little bit of that. The next video we're going to dive right into the demolition and beginning to kind of get the area prepped for it. I've got to do some drywall work, and I need to do some of that behind the scene plumbing stuff before I really get into doing the cabinetry. So if you're going to enjoy this video, if you think you're going to like it, please save this playlist. And also please consider subscribing to this channel. Like this video, let me know down below if you're going to be following along. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.